Welcome back to another banger video. Today is gonna be a surprise for you. See what happens in the end. Peace out. Cause what's it called? You can slot your SIM card into the iPad or laptop. You can just go into your files, export it into YouTube, and all you have to do is just edit it from there. What? And there was just a whole fucking family of turkeys. Get out of the way, planter! I think there's 13 baby turkeys just living there and then 2 adult dogs. Or something. I don't know. I think those 3, 2, 1, go! Hello, fine shits! I just had to say hi to the fine shits real quick. It's perfect. I've gone like 70 on these fucking. How? You good? Yeah,
I got my phone, I got my back brake, and I like slipped out.
Shit. That's why you don't overtune your brakes.
Bro. So good.
First dump on the bike?
Oh! My phone! Yeah, I dropped my phone, I got my back brake, and I like slipped out.
That's why you don't overtune your brakes.
Bro. Still good.
First dump on the bike?
No, my first dump, I scraped my back mud flap.
Bro. Look at your peg. I know. Let me try.
I need to get some mud out of my pedal.
Your version of events so bad.
Alright, what
one should I hit?
Come on, we could probably watch it right here.
Alright, that's it for another banger video. Yeah. Make sure you like and subscribe and turn on post notifications so you never miss another banger from me. And yeah, so peace out guys. Bye.